Kingsmith WalkingPad X21 review, a space-saving treadmill that still lets you run. You buy a treadmill with good intentions, then it quietly takes over the room. I once shifted furniture 3 times just to make mine fit, and still clipped my shin walking past it. It felt ridiculous. Big machine, small apartment. Ever felt that? That's where the frustration starts. Not laziness, just no space. Then workouts become complicated. You plan around furniture, noise, and whether the machine blocks the hallway. I skipped a run once because unfolding everything felt like a project. Energy fades fast. Momentum disappears. That mental drain adds up. You want movement to feel easy again, not like rearranging your life every evening. The breakthrough for me came with the Kingsmith WalkingPad X21. When you're shopping for a folding treadmill, the real game changer is a true double fold design, because it means you don't have to surrender your floor space full time. The X21 folds in 2 simple steps and stores upright in a compact footprint, changing the way a home feels the moment it's put away. Its magnesium alloy frame delivers reassuring stability, while the running surface provides enough room for confident strides at speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour. The first time I turned the rotary dial and smoothly increased the pace, the response felt precise, controlled, and solid. A friend came over, unfolded it in seconds, and said, "That's it?" before running comfortably without any noticeable wobble. Another evening, I walked at a steady pace while rain tapped against the windows, the motor humming quietly instead of dominating the room. The hidden LED display keeps the design clean when not in use, and the KS Fit app with NFC pairing adds convenient tracking without locking you into subscriptions. Small detail, big difference. After a few weeks, the Kingsmith WalkingPad X21 stops feeling like a piece of equipment and starts feeling like part of your routine. You unfold it, press start, and move. No drama. Reviewers often describe it as a compact treadmill that gets the basics right, and that aligns closely with my experience. Influencer demonstrations frequently highlight its stability during walking and moderate running sessions, while industry comparisons point out how uncommon true double-fold storage remains in this category. One user shared that they could finally walk comfortably at home after a fall made outdoor exercise stressful. That stayed with me. Another reviewer praised how quickly it disappears into a corner once folded upright. Quiet confidence. It's not commercial gym treadmill. There's no incline, and the top speed of 12 kilometers per hour sets a clear limit. The fixed handrail also means it isn't designed. The Kingsmith WalkingPad X21 makes home cardio realistic for smaller spaces without feeling like a compromise. It delivers genuine walking and running capability, folds away neatly, and keeps things simple with app connectivity and responsive controls. Demand for compact treadmills continues to grow as more people choose to exercise at home. If it feels like a good match for your space and routine, check the link in the description for current availability and additional details. Take a closer look. Choose what fits your life, not just your workout goals.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.